Welcome to the third video in our blockchain series. In our first video, we explained what blockchain technology is, and in our second video, we delved into its history. Now, in this third video, we will explore how blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the financial industry. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of our latest tech content. Let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use encryption techniques to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are just a few examples of popular cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, they use blockchain technology to verify and record transactions on a public ledger. This public ledger is maintained by a network of computers, which makes it difficult for any one person or entity to manipulate the system. Now, let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using cryptocurrencies. One major advantage is that they offer faster and cheaper transactions compared to traditional banking systems. Additionally, they can be used anonymously, which can be beneficial for privacy purposes. However, cryptocurrencies also come with some disadvantages. For instance, they are highly volatile, which means their value can fluctuate rapidly. Additionally, they have been associated with criminal activity, such as money laundering and illegal purchases. Despite these drawbacks, cryptocurrencies have been revolutionary in the financial industry. They have enabled faster and cheaper international transactions, provided access to financial services to unbanked populations, and opened up new opportunities for investment and entrepreneurship. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology have also attracted the attention of large financial institutions and corporations, who are exploring ways to integrate these technologies into their business models. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology have had a significant impact on the financial industry. While they may not be without their drawbacks, their potential for innovation and growth is undeniable. Thank you for watching this video in our Blockchain Plan playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos to learn more about blockchain technology and its applications.